Becum Gary, finally, Fagari Bencum. But the men so just a mununkum. Middle we are see. Mamma, me soon. Many one answer my over Mukuntu. I'm a die, I made a many get strange to say we are Canadian. One in a serious from one room. Send a witty and Pelosara. Mammy, I'm a my foul. You're going to carry a much of so.
My palm will them on my channel, baby, so no one will offer. I mean, you can't usually be one in Pukra. I mean, my show when you know, because I don't get this. I send them also on my say, no more in there from Bibiana. Papa can remain now. Bibian, you home, Bibian demo. Nah. Let us say, Opamo, guess, what did the flyer now? Nasamura made Pamo girls you can have. And besides, she has done nothing wrong for me to just suck her. I'm not going to go. Nah, I better know more than that. Besides, you say Amoni wasn't here. No cockroom. Me Pamo, she know nothing about this. I do simple. Now, after. Nah, I've not called her yet, but what the yen who the bear now. So, no, will be over when I'm I'm testing. And I see so I said, man, so I said, we didn't know. We did our own chain. Oh, I know what to do. You're not too fucking. Are you ready to let that? What's it? Let me cut. No, Mora, it seems like you have one more ideas be about the girl. No, ideas, guess the new ideas or no. Okay, dress up. Let's go. Hey, bro. Yo, I'm feeling wild. What's up, brother? I'm my friend Wade. They who made me who miss call, but I'll try to call back, but I'm missing cannot be rich here. Well, I will say transfer so I can home. Bro, I'm not okay, yeah. Why? I'm on fear. Seriously, I'm on fear like baby 4 or 5 days in here. I've tried to reach her mom, but I'm on Yakura. She's not okay. But I've tried. This is the situation where I've tried to call her mom. And what happened? Cannot be reached. My friend is on the phone. I do. And one thing they said, but Nico baby on feel I don't know. That's what I said. And you already know, sir. I'm gonna be your bar or Damakuma. So this tells you the girl is not real. Nah, come on, don't tell me. Oh, Baba, it's not fear so many years in the chrome the crutch. Hear me. I will say, oh, Charlie, I'm gonna you be an anomaly. So what I said, I'll know be your talkative. And besides me, what I feel is what I did to her, no, and no, I'm as a 1 year in jail with her. But I've talked to her severally. I don't understand why she have to pack her things and. Yeah. Bad. No bio. I'm your body at the afro. Maintain a matter with a boy. May better from the cell. I didn't time quite a maintain to. I'm your body at the afro. Maintain a matter with a boy. Hey, mommy. Move on my tea, my friend. Hello, I'm buy a taxi. No, I say. But remember, now they want to be mammy who is all cramming. What do you man? Any more ready? Eh, mammy, and yes, me, name me boss, now, mammy. Boss, yeah. Just get up from so what's the matter? Until we free, I say, I don't really know. Seriously, Chad, I'm in class, so
On said to me, I'm a catch and my young phobia. I'm not me too emotional. Oh, she just forget about it.
Listen, it's not about Coco. I went there, me con the room. When you even the brush flower home. Should I say?
What beside you? Yo, what beside you?
You also so home. And I say you're the anything be a minute you're the workout. If me feel working by me, but I'm only it's not there. And I say me pamo girls so now so I don't get this.
Yeah, bro. Stop thinking about this girl.
Nah.
Maybe I'm about to stop thinking about this.
I can never stop thinking about her.
Are you a kid?
Hey, don't shout at me when you're.
Are you a kid?
I'm not a kid.
Stop thinking about me. Stop thinking
Who
about
should I think about you? Should I think about you? What are you trying to tell me here, man?
O boss be.
Me mama ka sanwa.
O boss be no. O boss ne frame me.
Me ba cho sebio. Ekru hanom say ye ne ya titi ko mu ama.
Brian ntem ne ko pe ma ye tutu ne ko na wan hu na o chem na o be frame na say.
Mama nyanto bo se na sebio woni mi nipa ban ama ye. So what ya say?
So ujina woni pa ban. Hey, me yon bra. Ka unika said ye o turn your mouth.
I heard ya pompo chira motu. Hey,
when you say, "What you mean, you be a hammer." Imagine the whole night yesterday, me from one pick a call. And pay me from one pick a call. Why I dress am that be seeing fears? It's how many times do you want to think about this girl?
It's not how many times. You see, I feel so what I did to her, it wasn't right. Though I loved her, but at least I got to show her much more respect.
I'm coming. We gave her money.
Yes.
We fulfill our promise. What again?
But you see, that wasn't the right way to do it.
So Amono was expecting us. See, visit a fireman and assassin.
You don't get it. Say about that one now about Bunu. Nama ko ready.
I'm me boss if we wait me anya fukuduro ka kire me say umba. Okay, we shall.
When him say a studio be better than a case on me.
That's the main reason. I told you so.
You told me so about what?
But you told me.
I blame you. Everything that I do in this, I blame you because you gave me that stupid idea. I should have just listened to myself, but I listened to you.
Stana.
Yes.
Stana, you're not blaming me.
Yeah, I should blame you.
You are not blaming Stana.
I should blame you.
Okay.
I should blame you.
I told you to go and rape the girl.
No, you never told me to go and rape the girl, but you told me I should be just sleeping with my mates. Yes.
I'm just sleeping with your mate. I can't rape you as a baby. I can't rape Stana.
But listen, you should have given me a nice clue. Say, Stana, if you love Amono, just go. But you were just distracting me and started this me and me and this kind of things. Yes, but within me, I know say I love the girl, but I didn't know what came over me. So all of a sudden, I have to go inside the room. Then pam.
Okay, Stana. Okay, let me advise you. Stana, stop thinking about Amono.
I can never stop thinking about her. I have come to love the girl.
Don't worry. I'll make sure your thinking becomes a history in your life.
Nah.
I'll make sure.
Until you find her for me. If you want me to stop thinking, get Amono for me. Let me get her. Stana, here is your word. I'll say all my business.
Chair. I saw you only problem. Just seconds. One was a mad style, be back from a pro, or better than a honey at the relax. Be a bear. Yo, what's up? How far?
No, shit be again at to abo me pa wo.
Shit.
Now me dino mo. Na me say me boss hia no. Eno ano no. Esemfum bi again ni dino o ke ka kire me kra e me nkura.
who knows who now who get quick as a friend about.
Ah, Nana, and you get Cocono. Oh,
I don't know so on my.
Nana, see on back. I'm a cream, I'm home, a crumple said the whole boss.
Wow.
Every one catch Mr. Womba.
One Tim and Kana.
And I'm saying,
on Tim, ah, maybe from Swama. Or can bullshit you.
We are bomb cry. Nothing by now, me boo for my Kazaza.
But I never young in Trasso. So, or turn another chair. More time as I be whom so as it. You went ready a bit fashion. See, you're the fact whom is I'm funny.
And Eddie round
the Macas.
and
I don't know who can say.
Why they
Forgetting.
Well, him the MCT and I will be a bus. Maybe put you out when you've been a record so. Shay, Swagger can create me, BBR.
But just imagine, contracts with what do you feel? Nah, yes, oh, damn. Have you caught a guy? Stana. Stana. Yeah. Have you caught a guy?
Which guy?
Starting to me, no didn't come on. I have a general Stana.
I forgot what I said. Bro,
It's a quick action.
see, it's been 2 weeks now. Still, I'm telling you, I'm some baby fear. So that's it. My name is Sia or Fem. My friend on the phone, my phone I do. I'm not a happy person within. I'm being right here.
Stana. It's that Ben Stana. Opportunity to be my 7 previous.
But I'm thinking like a man who is in love. That's it.
Yeah, you are rather thinking about love.
What is money? You are talking about vanity. I'm talking about my feelings here. When I have the money.
Stana, you are crazy, Stana! You are crazy!
I'm not crazy,
You are crazy, Stana!
I'm not crazy! Don't tell me I'm crazy, man.
Obviously, Bradley.
What is money?
You are talking about business, you are talking about women.
Business about what? I'm talking about my feelings here. You are here just disturbing me with money. After all, who just got there now there? And just slip with one more this come on. Then all this guy. What, sir?
Remember, baby, I saw me Ginny.
Oh, come on, please.
Baby, I saw me Ginny. What myself over worry?
I'm growing. I need to be a dad. My mind na Google TV my me. Then I'm got them and question them. Hey, Stana. You are here just talking about money. What is money? I can scam Kwani and Kamada. Please, help me to find a girl. That's what I need.
I'm sorry for everything.
I'm sorry too, bro.
I'm sorry. Say that you be a catch. What that doing? I'm on echo. But me, without joining me, that journey. A man will baby a Stana. I bet you. Trust. Stana, you are playing for your way. Stana, you know me. You know me now, Stana.
Bro, you have to understand me.
I do understand you, Stana.
I just want my mom to just be happy. Is what I said.
Forget! Right, see me. I'm giving you Lady B and Stana. I bet you. Stana. But the men can be just so amount. Stana, me more baby and Stana. Without drinking, I'll be free. Bro. Me I say me baby, I want to baby, Mr. Do. You see, business here, you see, I'm out for training because of this issue. And this issue, someone solve this issue, and we are Stana. Yet me successful business. What's in the Stana? You're my brother, Stana. My brother.
I know you always want the best for me.
Yeah, trust me.
I've heard what you have said. I'll think about it.
This is not a matter for you to think.
Bro.
Oh, so don't you trust me?
Okay, there is no
Listen, Stana. See, me. Bibi how be a Stana so happy. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Stana. They say my mom about Stana. I swear to God. Stana, what do you mean? Because some Dutch.